To enable Wells Fargo online banking, start by gathering the necessary information, including your Wells Fargo account number, social security number, and a valid email address. Go to the Wells Fargo website and click on the Sign Up or Enroll option. Select the type of account you want to enroll, such as a checking or savings account, and enter your account number. You will be asked to provide your social security number and other identifying information to verify your identity. Create a username and password for your online banking account, making sure to follow the security guidelines provided by Wells Fargo. Your username should be unique and easy to remember, while your password should be strong and difficult for others to guess. Once you have created your username and password, you will be asked to set up security questions and answers. Choose questions that are easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. This added layer of security will help protect your account from unauthorized access. After completing the enrollment process, you will receive an email from Wells Fargo confirming that your online banking account has been set up. You can then log into your account using your username and password to view your account balances, pay bills, and transfer funds. To ensure the security of your online banking account, make sure to log out when you are finished using the site, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Wells Fargo immediately. By following these steps, you can easily enable Wells Fargo online banking and start managing your accounts from the convenience of your own home. Remember to always follow best practices for online security to protect your account and personal information.